A question we hear all the time is, what happens if I lose my Tangem card? It's a valid concern. You've trusted this small card with your digital assets, and the thought of it going missing can be unsettling. The good news is, in most cases, losing a single Tangem card isn't a disaster. It's designed with redundancy in mind. Remember how you get a set of 2 or 3 cards? This is exactly why. Each card in the set holds a copy of your private key. So, if you lose one, you still have the others to access your funds. Think of it like having multiple keys to your house. If you misplace one, you still have the others on your keychain or hidden under a plant pot. Your house is still secure, and you can still get inside. It's the same with Tangem. Your funds are not on the card itself, but on the blockchain. The card is simply the key to access and manage them. Now, what if you lose all of them? This is where it gets critical. If you've lost all the cards in your set, your ability to recover your funds depends entirely on how you set up your wallet. For Tangem wallets that were created with a seed phrase, you can restore your wallet on a new set of cards using that phrase. This is your ultimate backup. It's why we emphasize the importance of writing down your seed phrase and storing it securely, offline, and in a place only you can access. Never take a picture of it, never store it on your computer, just write it down. However, if you chose the seedless setup, which is an option with Tangem, and you've lost all your cards, you've lost your access to your funds. There is no recovery option. The private key is contained entirely on the cards, and without any of them, there is no way to regenerate or access that key. It's a trade-off, no seed phrase to write down and potentially expose, but also no fallback if all cards are lost. In short, losing one Tangem card is inconvenient, but not a catastrophe. Losing all of them without a seed phrase is permanent. It's a powerful reminder that with self-custody, you are the only one responsible for your assets.